Cool. Hi everybody, how's it going? Don't want to know. Anyway, exhaust is installed. That's what it looks like down there. You can see it. Smoking a little bit, but it's fine because everything's brand new. But yeah, so I'm gonna let it smoke off. Oh shit, man. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put everything away while I let my car warm up to whatever it's supposed to be at. But yeah, you can hear it now. The only problem is at the bottom here, it's not done all the way. I'll just go to the exhaust shop or something, just have them take care of it. I don't even want to fuck with it. Yay, dude! Doesn't sound like, it sounds manly, not, the other thing.